Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make a simple three ingredients with niacinamide. So we'll be making a 50 grams of niacinamide serum, and for a start we'll be measuring out 48 grams of distilled water. You don't want to use any other water like tap water, boiled water, just distilled water because it is free of impurities that can contaminate our serum later on. So using distilled water will also help improve the shelf life of the product. When you're done with measuring out the distilled water, next thing we're going to do is to measure out 1.7 grams of niacinamide powder. Ensure to use an accurate measuring scale so that you can get these precise measurements. The next thing to add is a preservative. A preservative is needed because this contains liquid and it will help increase the shelf life of our serum. And the preservative we are using is liquid Germall Plus, a very affordable preservative, and you're going to measure out 0.25 grams. So once you're done with all the measurements, just mix all the ingredients with either a spoon or a spatula, anyone you have at hand. So this niacinamide serum, as we've said, is made with niacinamide powder. It's an active form of vitamin B3 commonly used in skincare products. And the reason why it is craved by most is that it has numerous skin benefits. It can help strengthen the skin barrier. It helps reduce moisture loss from the skin. It helps brighten the skin. It reduces oiliness, therefore reducing acne. It can improve the skin pore size. So you get all these amazing benefits from using a niacinamide serum. So once you're done with the mixing and dissolving, you just want to set the serum aside, keep it in a safe place for it to fully dissolve overnight. So this is the second day and our serum is fully ready to be packaged. So we're just going to transfer it into our serum bottle. I will advise that you use a black serum bottle to avoid oxidation. So once you've done that, just cover it with a dropper cover, and you can use it twice a day, morning and night. Just apply 2 drops on your palm, rub together, and then apply it to your face by massaging or rubbing it in. So that's it guys, we're done making a niacinamide serum with just 3 ingredients. I hope you enjoy watching this video just as I enjoyed making it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. Thank you and God bless.